Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, and in this video clip, I will tell you and show you how you can save videos from Telegram app to your Android. Subscribe to our channel, also put likes, and don't forget to write comments. Let's get started. In order to save a video from Telegram to your Android, it is very simple. Now I'm going to show you two ways how to do it. You open your Telegram, find the video you want to save. And after that, you have two options on how to save it. The first option is on the video itself. There are three dots at the top that you can click on and select Save to Gallery. And then the video will be saved. Also, if it is, for example, a video that is among the many photos, as you can see. Here too, there are three dots on it that you can click on in order to save it. The second way to save a video is to open it. Then click also on the three dots, and then click Save to Gallery. No matter which way you choose, both are valid. To check if the video is in your gallery, you open it. And further, you can see if the given video is there. And as you can see, this video is saved in the gallery of this device. This is the very simple way you can download videos from Telegram to your Android device. Friends, I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, and be sure to put your likes. See you soon.